This is only the government of India, Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. Biren has nothing to do. He cannot do anything. Biren has become completely powerless. He has failed in every respect. Biren ji. Makain tongam there. Bharat Sarkar tongam. Then what happened? The India government, the central BJP government is least interested about money. Kari kumbabda moida sangde. What BJP is interested is only for the 2024 election, Lok Sabha election. They have promised a lot of things to the Kuki militants, to the suspension of operation Su groups, that will give you whatever you want. So they are expecting. That is why they have their point of view. BJP government and central government, they are not taking strict action against those Su militant groups because they are border for the Lok Sabha for parliament election. BJP's interest is not Manipur. BJP's interest is only the Lok Sabha election 2024. Everyone akoi khange, the whole thing, whatever we are facing today is the sole creation of this government. I should name Sri Biren Singh, the Chief Minister. He has created everything from beginning. From the month of April, please look around, look the records, everything till today. The whole thing is created by Biren, the Chief Minister. He is responsible for everything. He must be held responsible. This, the BJP government in the center, they also know it. So they are operating in tandem together. Now they are trying to divert the issue. Actually, they are trying to divert the issue by saying that this is the hand of the foreign hand.